guys, what's up? Melrae here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm using a new microphone because my other mic ran out of batteries because I forgot to turn it off for like 2 weeks. Whoops! So if there are any technical difficulties, I do apologize. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Melrae. I am a professional makeup artist and I do makeup videos as well as some hair, some lifestyle, a bunch of different stuff thrown in the bunch. So if you're into that kind of thing, then hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because if you don't hit the notification bell, there's no point in even hitting the subscribe button because it doesn't work. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, today we're going to be opening up and unboxing the summer 2019 Fabfitfun box. And no, this is not sponsored. I just recently signed up for Fabfitfun. I do not enunciate. I need to work on that. So I recently just signed up for the Fabfitfun boxes. I just got the spring editors box, so I didn't get the spring box. I got the spring editors box. There is a difference apparently. And so this is the summer 2019 box. This is my first actual seasonal box so far. So let's just dive right in. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, I keep saying Fab. I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to get lipstick on my teeth. Do I have any yet? No. So if you're not familiar with I don't know why I can't say Fabfitfun. Like, do I have a speech impediment that I never knew I had? So if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a lifestyle subscription box that is makeup, beauty, skincare, hair, lifestyle, everything, and you get to customize, I think it's 3, let's find out. There's a little magazine in here. I think it's 3 to 5 items depending on your subscription. I'm just a seasonal subscription. I don't pay the annual. If you do pay the annual, you get to customize 5 products. So I just got to do 3, and I think I only chose 2, and then I left it up to them to decide, which I kind of wish I didn't do. So this is the box. It's so pretty. So you don't get a plain old Jane cardboard box, you get a nice pretty one. And this box is in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria. So I have already opened it just to kind of like look a little bit. Like, I didn't like take the seals off anything. I just kind of looked to see what was in here. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Like, it's put together so nicely. So there was another sheet here that I ripped off. But this is how it actually looks. Like, this is how it comes packaged, like, beautifully, so that when you open it up, you're like, oh, I'm an influencer. Look at all my PR, even though it's not PR. So this is everything that I got in my box. So let's just go through it. So where's the little magazines? It does come with a little magazine that shows you. I have to go get it. Gah. I don't want to go upstairs. Ugh. Okay, so when you open it up, you actually get a coupon code for HelloFresh. So this is for $80. So it's $20 off 4 boxes. And I love HelloFresh. Not sponsored by them either, HelloFresh. But I used to get it when I lived in Germany because it was just so much easier. And then I'm out of breath. Whew, just ran upstairs. And then you get a $15 off your first Fabfitfun box for a friend, I think. So then you also get the little magazine that tells you everything that you got, as well as like crossword, some little articles here and there. Okay, so let's just dive in. So the first thing that I picked out was this Sutra Marble Blow Dryer in the travel size. I hardly ever blow dry my hair, and I don't like to have a lot of stuff. I'm a minimalist, but not quite a minimalist. I like to purge my house a lot, and so I like to have a lot of room to put things. I like things to be empty, so I love how small this is. Just wait. So I could have chosen this, or I think it was the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, which I kind of wish I got because it's a really good deal. This is the size of the blow dryer. On camera, it looks way bigger than it is, but look at my hand. It's smaller than my hand. That's crazy, and it's so light, so it makes blow drying your hair so easy. It also comes with 2 little attachments that I'll probably just be throwing in the garbage because I don't use those. So this is so cute, and I don't blow dry my hair ever pretty much, so I don't need a big blow dryer. This one is very good quality, so it should do the trick just fine, and then I can travel with it. So the next thing we get are these Invisibobbles. So I took one out of the package, sorry. And I've actually purchased some of these before because rumor has it they don't leave creases in your hair. They do. Sorry to burst your bubble, but they do. I don't know if it's because I have very, very fine hair, but I get creases in it regardless. So you get a pack of 6, which is a really good deal for the cost of the box. I forgot to say the cost of the box. It's $49.95, and then most people have coupon codes, so it's usually your first box is down to $39.95, which for everything you get in here, it's amazing. So amazing. So these I don't mind because I like that it's clear so that you can't really see the hair tie because I have such fair or light hair. However, I probably wouldn't buy these. So this has a retail value of $16. So that's a good deal. And the blow dryer has a retail value of $60. So for that little tiny blow dryer being $60, it's probably pretty good. Sometimes I don't know if I believe the actual retail price because some things I've never seen in store, like the Invisibobbles I have and some other things in here, but for the most part, I haven't seen a lot of this stuff in stores, so I feel like they're saying, it's so expensive, so that you want it more, but it's really just, like, not. So the next thing we have in here, which everybody gets in their box, also everybody gets the Invisibobbles in their box. The blow jar I chose, and then, so everyone gets this. This is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. It soothes and softens. It is paraben sulfate free, D&T tree free or tea free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. Okay. So you put this on your feet at night and then you wake up in the morning and you wash it off and it smells like coconut oil. Smells so good. So the foot cream has a retail, I don't know why I keep closing the magazine when I want to see what the retail value is. The foot cream or exfoliating foot mask has a retail value of $32, and I love this because I am never really going to go buy a foot mask, especially a $32 one, and in Canadian that's way more than $32. That'll be like $40. So I would never buy this on my own, so I'm really happy to have this because my feet are nasty. Okay, so next, everyone also gets this. This is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. That packaging though looks so good. So I did open this because I wanted to see how purple it was. It just smells like a clay mask slash my summer camp that I went to in 1997. I'm not even joking, it does. I don't know why that just reminded me of it. So it's just a nice lilac color. So I'll put that on and you can see. It looks kind of gray on camera, but it's a really nice lavendery lilac, I don't know, color. And I'm going to try that tonight. It's drying down really fast. So I'm going to try that tonight. I love myself a good face mask. I do a face mask like every single night. That's probably not a good idea. I just collect them and I love them so much. So that face mask is $39. So I'm gonna Google this brand and see if it is actually $39 or if it's just pretend $39. So the last thing that everyone gets in their box is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day. I have so many facial sprays, it's ridiculous. So I'm probably going to be giving this to my mom or something. This is such a generous bottle. So this is to be sprayed on before or after your makeup. And it is rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. The packaging is gorgeous. Like this would be so cute just sitting in a bathroom. Actually, I think I might put it in my powder room so that guests can come over and just be like, oh, even though I don't really have guests. It's kind of a thick spray, but that's fine. It's fine. So this retails, oh my eyelashes. So I got it in my mouth. This retails for $25.95, not $26, not $25, but $25.95. It's a big bottle, so I think that's a pretty good deal. I don't know how well it sets your makeup, or if it does. Yeah, so we'll try it out, and I think I'm going to put it in my powder room. I think that would be really cute. Okay, so the next things, so I think I'm able to pick 4 because I was given the option to pick 4. I don't know why, because I think you're only supposed to be able to pick 3. So I was able to pick a 4th, but I didn't. I wanted to be surprised. So I got the I Do liquid eyeliner. So I already have this. I have a bunch of Ico products. I really like it. I have so many eyeliners, so I'm going to be gifting, sorry my nail, I'm hiding the fact that I'm missing a nail. I'm going to be giving this to a friend or something because I don't need it. And I love Ico products. They only make eyeliner and mascara and then some brow mascara, I believe. And they are really good. Like their eyeliner is bomb. They specialize in eyeliner, so it better be bomb. So this retails for $22. That's about average. Okay, so the next product I wish I got a pick from this list because I really wanted the Kula facial spray. It's like a $40-something SPF makeup setting spray. It's 40-something in Canada. In the States, it's 30, I think, 35. It is $36, and I don't know why there are no other SPF setting sprays, because if you're in Vegas at a pool or something, a pool party when you have a full face of makeup, and you can't really reapply your SPF, but SPF is important. So you can just spray it on with this stuff, and then your makeup's intact, you look good, you've refreshed your makeup, and you're covered from sun exposure. So I really wanted that, but instead I got this Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So this retails for, which I've never heard of this brand either, so this is one of those brands that I'm wondering, like, is it real or is it a pretend brand? So it retails for $57. Does it? I don't know if I want to try it. This is the packaging. You can't really see because of my lights. So I don't really know if I want to try it because I like a strong exfoliant. And this one apparently isn't that strong. So if I want to give it away, okay, I'll give it to my mom. So I'll just open it. She doesn't care if I open it. But there are Fabfitfun trading groups online, so you can trade. So maybe someone has the Kula and they want to exchange for the micro polish. I don't know. Oh, it's okay. I was expecting it to be very micro, but it's not. It's okay. So will I keep this? I don't know. So the next thing, this was an option to choose. I chose it. It is the wine glasses. So they're silicone wine glasses called What a Pair by the brand Odeem. I think it's how it's said. So they're these adorable blush pink silicone wine glasses, which is perfect if you're by a pool because you're not allowed to have glass at a pool, but if you're really fancy and you don't want to drink wine out of a plastic cup, or you don't want to drink it out of like not a wine glass, this maintains the flavor of the wine and the aromaticness. I'm pretending like I know things about wine. I don't. It smells bad. So I'm gonna wash these out before I use them, but I'm very excited about these. They're very cute. I'll probably never use them, but I am excited about them. I want to use them on my patio. So these retail, again, I closed the magazine. These retail for $25. So last but not least, I knew that this was a bang for your buck kind of thing because I've seen these at Holt Renfrew. If you're not familiar with Holt Renfrew, if you are American, it is like our Saks, kind of, our Saks Fifth Avenue. So they have these there. This is a pack of 5 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks, and it is from the brand 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. So these are them here, and they retail for $160 American, so over $200 Canadian. And I love face masks, as I said, and these are not just sheet masks, but they are the rubbery ones. Like, they're not that like papery kind of sheet mask. These are like the rubber ones. So they're higher quality in my opinion, and they feel nicer in my opinion. So I'm really excited to use these. I have so many high-end sheet masks, like a Kiehl's one, a Biotherm one, and more. And I never use them because they're expensive. So it's nice that you have a pack of 5 so I can use one and it not be frivolous. So that is everything I got in my box. If you guys want, I do have a coupon code. I don't make money from it, or I do kind of. I think it gets me like a $15 coupon because, as I said, I'm not sponsored by Fabfitfun. So it's literally just the friends code that you give out to your friends, and then it gets you $15 if they purchase a box. So if you guys would like, I will put that down below. And I think it gets you $15 off. I think. I'll put the details in the bottom in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what your thoughts are on subscription boxes, and let me know what is a good subscription box, because I really like this one a lot and I am now a bit addicted and I want more. So let me know a good subscription box and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.